Hey guys, how's it going? So once again, out here, got the Danes with me, just chilling. So what I'm going to do today is just a bunch of miscellaneous stuff on the BMW. I got clutch slave here. I'm going to try and get my dipstick in, and a few other little things that I need touching up, and it's just kind of going to be me doing random stuff. So hope you guys enjoy. We'll get to see a lot of different parts of the car, and we're going to start now. Alright, so here's the dipstick in question. I believe it's a Milden dipstick for my can pan. I didn't get a can dipstick because I heard a lot of bad things about them. So this has to go, because I don't know if you can even see it from here, but it needs to go down in there to a plug, which I guess I kind of just dropped in place. So I'm going to try and get that plug out from the bottom, and I'll probably have to install this part from the bottom. So this is definitely a job done from underneath. That's the plug I'm removing. Dipstick goes right in the hole, and I'm just going to put a little bit of leak lock onto this once I make sure it fits, which it seems like it will. So that's pretty cool. Alright. And here is the view from the top. I probably won't zip tie this or anything because it's not going anywhere. It's got a little tab on it that you can screw, but like, I don't really care about that. As long as my dipstick works. Seems like it bombs out a little bit, but studios for yoga, art, and meditation. Built by Reed's Ferry and installed without the window. ReedsFerry.com. And Bay Path University's graduate school. Stick will still work. So, got that done. And now I'm going to put my slave in. Putting the slave in is going to be a big pain. You have to heat the fender well, bang it, because I'm trying to insert it the right way. I might flip it over and insert it backwards. We'll see what happens with that. Alright, so not ideal, but I got my slave in place after beating the crap out of the side of the car. Unfortunately, that was pretty much necessary because now I'll actually be able to get my slave hose on it, which is right there. So I'll thread this on and then I'll put the clutch slave back up in there. But I'm pretty happy that it's able to fit, and I also have the ball and rod to go into it. Alright, so I found a rubber boot for the clutch slave shaft, but the rod I have is a little bit too short, so what I have is a little bit of 3/8 rod, and I'm going to cut a chunk out and make a new rod for myself. so that's going to be all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Probably next video I'll be doing more odd and end type stuff with this. I got a video I'm going to put up of me driving around the bend soon. Then, yeah, stay tuned. We're going to be starting the car soon. Things are really getting close. I really just need to get like stuff from the drive shaft shop. So yeah, like, subscribe. You can get me on Instagram at Lowristocrat. Thanks for watching. Hope everyone has a great weekend. And yeah, that's all.